Simple wiring instructions for REVO-S, 2-phase, 120 to 210 amps, with DC linear input. Important warnings for safety. This video must be used in conjunction with the supplied operating manual with specific reference to the safety notes and warnings detailed in the opening pages. Wiring must be carried out by qualified personnel only. This video is offered for guidance only and must not be used in place of the unit's operating manual. If in any doubt, please contact us prior to installation of the unit. Critical warning: before connecting or disconnecting the unit, check that power and control cables are isolated from all voltage sources. Connect your 0-volt auxiliary power supply to terminal 1. Connect your 24-volt auxiliary power supply to terminal 2. Connect your 0-volt or 4 mA input control signal to terminal 7. Connect your 10 volts or 20 mA input control signal to terminal 8. Connect your 0-volts fan supply to terminal 11. Connect your positive fan supply to terminal 12. This voltage can be 24 volts, 115 volts or 240 volts depending on the order code. Wire your incoming 2-phase supply to L1 and L3. Wire your incoming 2-phase load connection to T1 and T3. Connect your earth cable to the unit's earth terminal. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful. If you'd like to speak with one of our friendly support team, call us on 01 323 811 100 or email support@cdautomation.co.uk. CD Automation. Expect better.